I take great pride in my work. As you see in this part here, this part is for the knee, the kneecap, okay, for knee replacement. So you see the finish right here in the tray. All this right here, okay. You don't see no tool marks. There's 6 tools that go in here and blend in. After I made adjustments, this is the perfect part. The finish is like a mirror finish. This is how all parts should look. This is how your parts shouldn't look. You have to sand it down because it shows all the tool marks in there. These are people that have been here 20 years. As you see all the tool marks in here, like all here, here, all the way around here, right there. Those are tool marks. So it's real simple. You have 42. It should be 0 comp on the floor of that tray. 15. You have 1. 13. It's the same tool, but a rougher and a finisher. They're both that 1. That's because I put them there. They have to have equal or the same nomination. Same thing with tool 14. Tool 12. Those are also a rougher and a finisher. They have 8/10 in there. 8/10 in there. Both equal. Okay, that's how I put it. When I came in, they were all over the place. Less tools used, costing the company less money. This to me is unacceptable. This here looks like dog shit. I'm hoping to make changes here to get all the parts looking perfect. Beautiful, isn't it?